Hi, this video will cover logging into GeoServer as well as changing both the admin and master passwords. Okay, so let's go ahead and log into GeoServer using the default username and password. Default username is admin and the default password is GeoServer, all lowercase. Go ahead and click login. Okay, so on login we see that there are two warnings here. One to change the master password from the default, and the second to change the administrator password from the default. The administrator or admin user is the user we just logged in as, and that's the user we use to administer GeoServer. The master password is for the root user of GeoServer. That user is responsible for administering the security certificates for GeoServer. So let's start by changing the master password. Go ahead and click change it. Okay, so first we need to put in the current password. The default password is GeoServer, the same as the admin password. And then we'll select our new password and confirm it. And then click change password. Okay, we see the master password warning is gone. Now let's go ahead and change the admin password. Click on change it. And we'll go ahead and update the current password with our new password and confirm. And just scroll down and click save. Okay, so we can see the warning messages are gone. We have updated both the master password and the admin password. So as mentioned earlier, when we updated the master password, that password is for the GeoServer root user. The GeoServer user root is the user that stores the security certificates for GeoServer. Now by default, the user root cannot log in to the GeoServer admin panel. Only user admin can do that. We can, however, enable user root to log into the admin panel as well. It's a very good idea to enable admin access for user root. The GeoServer root user is similar to the Linux root user. It's a kind of super user. So if you run into any configuration issues with GeoServer that make accessing the admin panel inaccessible for user admin, we can go ahead and access as user root to correct the configuration. So let's see now how to enable login for user root to the admin panel. Okay, so on the left menu under security, passwords, and under master password providers, click on the default link and select allow root user to log in as admin and click save. Okay, so now we can test it. Let's log out from admin and log back in as the root user. And we'll use username root and the master password we set for root earlier and log in. Okay, so we confirm the login is working. We're now logged in as user root as displayed up here. So we set the master password and then enabled login for user root and then tested the login. Okay, so just to summarize, we first logged into GeoServer as user admin using the default password GeoServer. We then updated the master password and then updated the admin password, and finally we enabled root admin login.